that's it. That's me. That's me today. I'll take a look at my charts.
Never knew the sting of a stranger. Never felt the words like a razor. But I won't give a damn about it later.
Good morning. Good morning. It is Monday morning, and it sure is a gorgeous one this morning. The sun is peeking through the trees over here. The birds are singing. Can you hear those guys in the background? It's beautiful. Well, it is Monday. It's the beginning of the week, and going to keep my eyes peeled on the markets because we've got potential opportunities that I've been waiting for. Last week, in our trading week, one of the things that I was watching for was rally up in gold, silver, euro, Aussie, pound to contact some institutional supply because I was looking for short signals. I'm just tracking the buying and selling of the big institutions, and that's what they are doing. They're retracing price into institutional supply areas that they created. So I'm going to be looking for short signals on those charts. Gold overnight looked like it created some supply on the 1 hour time frame off of the daily supply. So I'm going to be monitoring that one because there might be a short signal there, but it's not the greatest looking supply, so I'm not overly convinced. Silver, same thing, hasn't contacted the daily supply though, the daily supply zone yet. Has created new supply on a lower time frame, but again, without it officially contacting daily supply, I can't have a short signal. So going to be monitoring that this week, and yeah, so far no trade signals. CFTC data was delayed because of the holidays, and so no data was released on Friday, but they will be releasing data today, later on today. Oh, and by the way, soccer, there's going to be Portugal playing today, later on. Maybe if I get a chance, I'll try to catch that match. Anyways, good morning. We'll check in with you later. Take care. Good morning, good morning. It is Tuesday morning, and it looks like it's going to be another beautiful, bright and sunny, hot day today. And just had breakfast, had my coffee, and the family's all gone for their day camp. They've been doing this all week. They will be doing it all week. They started yesterday, and so they're gone for the whole week. So it's just me and the charts in my home. And so I've been looking at these same four charts, as well as some other charts as well, but these are the ones that I'm focusing on. Gold, pound, Aussie, US CAD, euro. And euro, we contacted some supply, but we haven't received any strong push to the downside from that area yet. And on gold, we hit supply as well. But as you can see, price action hasn't really been producing the type of action to the downside that I'd be looking for to enter into a short trade. And now this morning, we're seeing some bullishness here on gold, bullishness here on silver. So I'm still holding tight and waiting and being patient for the signal. I don't want to jump in too early. Here's gold. Here's that supply zone. We had a supply being created on the 1 hour time frame, but this whole situation does not look pretty. So that was not a short signal for me. We look at silver. It fell short of hitting supply, so no potential short signal could have been produced. Although this looked a lot better, what was happening here on the 1 hour time frame. We had demand there, got taken out by supply, price rallied up, just fell short, produced a nice 3-to-1 move to the downside. Only problem was the supply was not contacted yet. So we'll wait and see. I'll continue to monitor things, and we'll check in with you later. Going over to Montana's for me and my girl to enjoy a little bit of a lunch here. Just me and her, daddy-daughter date. Yay, this is gonna be fun. Okay, you go. gotcha. Oh, I gotcha. Oh, I'm gonna win this one. I'm gonna win it. Hey. Oh, wow. Well, good morning, good morning. It is Wednesday morning. Hello, hello. And a little bit overcast this morning. So, the markets. At the beginning of the week, I was looking at gold, as I've been talking to you guys about that, and I was looking for a short signal. And on Monday, I did a session with members, and we were taking a look at the dynamics of what was playing out in the markets, and we saw a lot of evidence to suggest that there was going to be some upside pressure in the markets. So we saw potential for the euro to go higher, pound to go higher, Aussie to go higher. And with that being said, there was a very strong chance that gold was going to go higher. So there was, I was watching for a short signal on gold, a 1 hour momentum shift off of a daily supply zone. That was a short signal I was going to be watching for. And it so happened that trade signal played out perfectly. Wonderfully, there was a 1 hour supply zone created off the daily supply zone. Price rallied up to it, contacted the 1 hour supply, and gave us a really nice 3-to-1 move to the downside. So that trade signal played out really nicely. Now we're looking at pound, euro, and a couple other charts because they are creating some new areas of supply, and we're going to be looking for potential entries on those ones. Anyways, I'm going to be doing a live session with everybody today, so hopefully you're there to join us. Talk to you soon. How's it going, everybody? It is Wednesday afternoon. I'm just getting back from tennis, and boy, was it a hot one. Whew. Hot like you wouldn't believe. Anyways, I'm coming back and I'm taking a look at S&P 500. 1 hour time frame. We had some supply created with the big drop that we got. Price rallied, contacted supply. Now we're seeing a drop. I've got a position on Apple, and looking to add to my Apple when price gets down here on the daily time frame. We have a nice demand zone. I'm going to be looking to add to my position. So anyways, I'll keep track of everything and I'll keep you updated. Well, good day, good day. It is Friday, and had a great day today. I can't complain. It was good. We took a trade a couple days ago. It didn't work out. It was a short trade on gold. It was off of a 1 hour supply zone that was created. All indications were telling us that there was a very good chance price was going to drop from it, but it didn't work out, and so we move on. The 1 hour supply that was created earlier this week, that was the trade to take, and I passed on it. I did, and there was a reason why. We had talked about what was taking place on gold and other charts that were indicating to us that there could be a move to the upside that was in the works. And yes, there could have been a move to the upside in the works, but it doesn't mean that I should have not taken that. That was a signal. That was a signal to go short. It was a 1 hour supply zone off of a daily supply zone, and I didn't take it. And so the price to be paid was a missed trade. That would have been a beautiful 3-to-1 move. Well, anyways, we don't cry over it. We just continue going. I think we just did a wonderful session this morning with level 3 members. Well, all the members of the school. It's a level 3 session. It's the highest level session that we do at the school. And we were talking about how all indications are still pointing that we're going to be seeing a move up in gold and silver. So we're going to be patient with that because there could be some nice opportunities coming our way with potential longs. But the bigger one are the shorts at higher time frame supply zones. Then we looked at oil. We talked about oil in great detail. One of the things I like about oil is that it's come down to a major demand zone on the monthly time frame. Wow, look at the size of that bee. Holy moly. And so now we're starting to see the storyline come out, right? The storyline of, we're ending the ceasefire. So now there's going to be, this tension in the Middle East. And this is the perfect opportunity to lure retail traders into going back into buying oil. And I think that's exactly what's happening. And as you could see, today the last few days, we saw a big move up in oil. Where did it take price to? Right to a major institutional supply zone. This is exactly what we were expecting. We were expecting for price to hit that supply and then drop from supply. Okay, and that's exactly what took place. And as it was dropping, it was creating supply. Meaning, on the lower time frames, the banks were coming in creating supply zones. So we talked about that in today's level 3 session, because what I'm suspecting is that when price starts to rally up again and it removes that supply, we're gonna get a long signal. Mark my words, it's going to happen. Anyways, in the meantime, I got this property to take care of. This property doesn't take care of itself. I've got weeding to do. I've got stuff to cut. That's my home. All right, that's my home there in the background. I got weeding to do. I got gardens to fix up. Look at the sky. Quite nice. The sun is coming out. Beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So anyways, I got to get to work because Friday is pretty much over for me. My work day is pretty much over. I finished the level 3 session. We got CFTC data coming out later. And so I'll start working on that later on in the day. And I'm going to be patient. So yeah, I took a loss, big deal. It's a 1R, minus 1R, against all the positive R's that I made. It's no big deal. I should have taken that other one. I'm kicking myself in the butt for it, but we move on, we move forward. There's a lot more trades coming our way. And I hope you will join me next week. Talk to you soon. Take care, everyone.